Hi, my name is Tiffany Gibbs, and I'm the Evaluation Specialist at Woodgate Intermediate School. I oversee IEP meetings and special education evaluation. One of the things that I am most passionate about is equitable education, and for me that just means that I want to ensure that every student has what they need to be successful in the educational setting. And for some students that means that they have an IEP or an individualized education plan through special education. A couple of fun facts about me. I graduated from the University of Houston, go Cougs, and if I were not in education, I would definitely pursue a career as a performer on Broadway. I love to sing and dance and act. All of that is just so fun to me. One of the best ways that you can reach me throughout the year if you have a question or a concern about your student's IEP is just to reach out via email. My email address is Tiffany, Tiffany, .Gibbs, Gibbs, at midwayisd.org. Thanks so much, and I'm looking forward to a fabulous year with our Woodgate staff and students and parents. Thanks so much. Bye.